5:30, marijuana use is legal in Massachusetts. So could psychedelic mushrooms be next? Hi, I'm Emily Voles.
And good to see you again. I'm Dan Janik. NBC 10's Kennedy Buck is live in studio to explain why there's a push from both sides over ballot question number 4. Kennedy?
Yeah, Dan, Emily, if voters pass this, Massachusetts will join a very short list of states that have legalized the use and administration of psychedelic substances. While some see the benefit, others say it could bring more harm than good. A yes vote to ballot question 4 in the Bay State would create an advisory board to license psychedelic substances and also allow people aged 21 and older to even grow their own mushrooms. The Coalition for Safe Communities is campaigning to keep so-called magic mushrooms illegal.
Yeah, if this did not allow for home growth, if this required a medical professional, and if it had some sort of price caps on the very specific people we're talking to, I'd be for it.
But others say the legalization of psychedelic mushrooms could save lives.
My mother lived with us for about 3.5 years. She sadly passed away in that time, and we were going through depression and grief and a bit of anxiety. We thought we could work through it ourselves.
Gary Logan and Robert Grover are spiritual advisors who guide people on psychedelic mushroom journeys, a path that was started after the substance helped them through a dark time.
We both came out of the journey experience free of depression, anxiety, and we're more solid and stronger in our purpose in our life.
But Cohan says despite the health benefits, he thinks the legalization of psychedelic mushrooms goes too far.
And the people that they're advertising to, the people with end-stage cancer, severe psychosis, PTSD, they're all widely regarded as the people most likely to have the worst trip.
I would say if someone has been told that the bad trip is the worst experience in their life, that they haven't been guided properly.
Do you think voters will say yes, or do you think maybe they'll say no? What do you kind of foresee happening?
I think this is going to be the closest ballot question.
Now, Oregon and Colorado have passed similar legislation. In fact, Oregon allowed cities and counties to opt out of the state law if local voters were against the approval. In studio, Kennedy Buck, NBC 10 News.
All right.